Ever wonder how long a home battery actually lasts? You might think it's forever, but the truth is, a little more electric. In the next 2 minutes, we'll break down battery life cycles, warranties, and what really happens behind the scenes. Home batteries are like tiny power banks for your house. They store energy from your solar panels or grid so you can use it when sun goes down or during a blackout. But here's the twist. Batteries don't last forever. They slowly lose their ability to hold a charge. And if you think, I'll just buy one and forget it, think again. Let's dive into the numbers. Most lithium-ion home batteries last between 10 to 15 years. That's a long Netflix binge. But in battery terms, it's finite. The exact life depends on how often you charge and discharge it, just like your phone's battery ages faster if you constantly use it. But wait, there's more than just years. Let's talk cycles. Batteries are rated in cycles, meaning one full charge and discharge counts as a cycle. For example, a 10-year warranty battery might be rated for 5,000 cycles. Spread out, that usually matches daily home use, but heavy users might hit limits sooner. Now, don't get scared. Warranties have your back. Here's where it gets interesting. Warranties usually guarantee 70 to 80% of original capacity by the end of life. So if your battery starts at 10 kilowatt hours, it might still give you 7 to 8 kilowatt hours after 10 years. Think of it as your battery gracefully aging, not dying overnight. Want to extend your battery's life? Here's the secret sauce. Want to stretch that lifespan? Avoid extreme temperatures. Don't fully drain it every day. And keep it updated with the latest software. Treat it like a friendly robot. You take care of it. It'll take care of your energy needs.